What is up, my friends? Welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is the 24th of March. It is a Tuesday, and I'll give you an update about what happened yesterday on the 23rd. So, our net asset value has recovered somewhat, as you can see from this chart here. Yesterday, we took a big hit. We were negative in our net asset value, negative 3%, roughly 3.33 if I remember correctly. And then today, we have since bounced back. For Oanda CFDs, we are now 14,015 US dollars, and our exposure has now been reduced from 101% to 85%. So, if you remember what I said about the exposure, this is basically we have open positions in the value of 85% of our net asset value here of 14,015. And for Binance, it is net asset value is 9898 with a utilization or exposure of 33%. I can show you exactly what that means. If I go here and I click here, if I select US dollars, and you can see the exposure is 2,700 US dollars, which is roughly 33% of 9898. So that equates to a total net asset value of 23,913, which is a return of 1.63%. And in absolute terms, that is a gain of 383 US dollars. So we are somewhat far away from our all-time high in percentage gain and also in absolute gain. But we will get there. We will get back there. I'm sure this strategy, if we use it prudently, it will work in the long run. Okay, let's start first of all with Bitcoin. So some activity yesterday. We actually have 4 take profits and 2 buys. You can see here, but the take profits are a bit clouded here. So let me just put in a 5-minute chart so you can see the actual take profit. See, there are 2 of them very close together with this big huge spike. I'm not really sure what news came out that warranted such a big spike from 68.5 to basically almost $3,000 spike. I'm not sure what news occurred, but 2 take profits were hit within 10 minutes. Bam bam. And then we rebought here, and then it take profit again, and then we rebought here, and it just took profit again here. So that is the beauty of the grid trading strategy. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah. Where is the other buy? I can't see it. Yeah, there it is. Now it's clearer here. So you sell, buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. Okay, so that's how it works. And every take profit, if I just want to remind you, is about 10 US dollars in profit. So yeah, that's great. Okay, so let's move on to silver. So silver had 1 buy and 2 take profits. Yep, and let's see how it looks like now. The chart. So it's recovering somewhat. We had a buy at, let's see where the buy was. So we took profit at almost $68. So that was for the 66, this one. So this was the buy order at 66, and we took profit at almost 68. Yeah. And we took a profit at for gold as well. when we took a profit for silver here at the 68 level once again. Yeah, that's basically our trade for silver. So one buy, two take profits, that's correct. And then for gold, we had one take profit. And no activity for China A50 or copper. So let's just quickly look at the charts. So you can see silver, yep, we have our grid up, we have our grid down. Hopefully something hits today. And for gold, there is our chart. So yeah, we took profit from the trade here, and then now I reset the buy order again down at the same level. So let's see if this take profit for this trade hits, or it will go a continuous decline down. We'll see. Either way, we're comfortable. So China, nothing much, big spikes here and there, but nothing got hit. Perhaps I should have set a limit order here. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, but some volatility in China. Copper, not much going on. It's still ranging quite tightly here. We have one open trade here and the take profit for that trade up here, and then one buy order down here. So yeah, we are in a waiting zone to see what happens. Okay, so yeah, basically that concludes my update for today. I just wanted to show you the exposure. So um, in Oanda, the exposure here is called position value, and it's currently at almost $11,800. And that is the value of all the open trades I currently have. And this as a percentage of net asset value is currently 85%. So anytime your position value is more than your net asset value, means you are deploying some leverage to your trading. And the risk is that you can get margin called if the assets that you hold go down a lot, and your net asset value becomes basically negative. That means that you get margin call and all your positions will be automatically closed. If you maintain the position value less than your net asset value, then you have no risk of being liquidated, no matter how low the prices of the assets that you bought go. So you need to be very careful about leverage. I tend to not go past 1.5x leverage, and I also cut my exposure aggressively if things start to go south. So yeah, that's my update for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye.